Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to make an awesome sandwich with some chicken and bacon on the Blackstone. This is a freestyle cook. I just got a bunch of ingredients and I just got this image in my head, so let's get into the recipe. Since you're here, hit the like and subscribe button and make sure that the notification bell is rang. Check me out on social media. That way you can get notification of all my new recipes. Let's go ahead and turn on our Blackstone. Alright, we're going to start off. This is something new that I've seen. The black label from Hormel. Some cherry wood smoked thick cut bacon. So I'm going to cook this first. So I'm going to let these cook down and then I'm going to cook the chicken in this fat. Look at that beautiful bacon right there. I can tell you right now that cherry smoke smells really good on this grill. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and remove this one. We're going to let these cool down. That way you get a nice crispy bacon. Some of these need a little bit more time. Like this one here. Probably could use a flip. Yeah, like this one right here can be taken off. Ooh, that bacon smells good. Alright, these are rendered down enough. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on a rack. Let them crisp up. I want to keep all this fat right here. All this bacon fat. I'm going to use that for the chicken. This is going to add some flavor. Alright, I'm going to be using chicken breast, and what I seasoned it with is Chef Merito's chicken seasoning. I use this a lot. This is my favorite seasoning when it comes to chicken blend. Really good. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can get it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and just lay our chicken breast right in that bacon fat. Ooh, smells good. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and give this a flip. These are cut really thin, so they're going to cook fast. We're going to try to at least get to a temperature of 165 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and take our basting lid. Let it do its thing. Alright, let's check on our chicken. I'm trying to reach a temperature of 165 degrees. Now these are sliced thin, so they should cook fast. And it looks like we should be good. Yeah, we're good. 165, perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and put some pepper jack cheese right on top of there. We're gonna get this melted. Go ahead and give it another steam bath. Look how beautiful that looks right there. Alright, so we're going to take these off. So we got this beautiful sub bun that we're going to toast up. As you can see, I have the grill press on that sub roll. I had that grill press on the griddle the whole time. It was very, very hot. I went ahead and smothered some mayonnaise on the inside part of that sub roll. Mayonnaise makes a good crust and it's perfect for toast. Alright, we should have a nice toast on there. Yep, we do. After about 2 minutes or so, you'll have a nice, beautiful crust. There we go. Now let's build our sandwich. Alright, so we're going to take our nice toasted bun here. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit more mayonnaise to that. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put our chicken breast on there. Can't forget the bacon. So 3 healthy portions of bacon. So we're gonna doctor it up with 3 slices of tomato. Put a couple slices of red onion. Then we're gonna top it off with some pickled jalapenos. Now we're gonna just finish it off with some romaine lettuce. Just to cover it up, let's put our bun right there. Look at that. Now we're just gonna go ahead and give it a diagonal cut. There you have it, folks. As you can see, I got a beautiful sandwich right here. Perfectly cooked. Look at that chicken. Let me see if I can focus. Come on, camera, focus. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. That thick cut bacon. Oh, it smells so good. Let's take a bite. Mmm. Thing's juicy. I mean, look at it. Just dripping. Man, that thing is fantastic. That bacon has a really, really good flavor. Paired with that Chef Benito's seasoning on that chicken, really, really good. And the fresh produce. It's just an explosion of flavor. Really, dynamite. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button so that we can see future videos just like this and many more. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section and I'll get back to you shortly. Now I have these other Blackstone videos. They're really good recipes, you should check them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.